Hey, my friend, I wanted to work some of these problems for you. And you can just have some leisure watching time as you're there. Okay. So this says ascorbic acid, 0.5 grams PO. The dose on hand is 500 milligram tablets. How many tablets will you give? So you got milligrams here and grams here, and you're going to need to convert one. So I'm going to do the grams. Remember, you have kilograms, grams, milligrams, micrograms. And if it's 0.5 grams, and we got to go to milligrams, we got to move our decimal that way to the right. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. And so that would be 500 milligrams. And so if she wants to see your work, it would be 500 milligrams. What he wants, 500 milligrams. What I got per one tablet. And then you know that's going to equal one tablet when you work it. So the next one is digoxin, 0.5 milligrams. And you have on hand 250 micrograms. So we got to go milligrams to micrograms with the 0.5. So again, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and it'll be 500 micrograms is what he wants. So let's do that. 500 micrograms is what he wants. 250 micrograms per one tablet is what I have. And then we're going to do the math. That divided by that, 500 divided by 250 equals. And that will be 2 tablets. Okay? And the next one is the dose ordered is 0.15 grams PO. The dose on hand is 300 milligram tablets. How many are you going to give? Okay, we got grams, and we're going to have to convert it to milligrams. I'm going to convert it to get rid of the decimal, because a decimal will kill somebody. So grams to milligrams, we got to go to the right. So let me get this settled. 0.15 grams. We're going to take this and go 1, 2, 3. Would be 150 milligrams. So what he wants is 150 milligrams. What we have is 300 milligrams per one tab. And then we're doing the math. This divided by that, 150 divided by 300 equals, you're going to give them 0.5 or a half of a tab. Okay? I believe you're picking up what I'm putting down. So next we have diphenhydramine, that's the smoking dope name for Benadryl, syrup, 50 milligrams PO. On hand, we have a syrup that is 12.5 milligrams per 5 mLs. So let's set up our problem. What he wants is 50 milligrams. What I have is 12.5 milligrams per 5 mLs. And then we're going to do the math. That divided by that times that. 50 divided by 12.5 equals, you're not done. There's a 5 right there, so we got to do times 5. And so they would need 20 milliliters. Okay? Let's do another one. I know this much fun should really be outlawed, but it's not. So the dose ordered is 600 milligrams PO. The dose on hand is 150 milligram tablets. What are you going to do? So what he wants is 600 milligrams. What I have is 150 milligrams per one tablet. And so this says this divided by that times that. And you see how I put their last name so that Ethel don't have no question about my math? She may have questions, but it won't be about my math. 600 divided by 150 equals. We're going to give them 4 tablets. Okay. I hope that was everything you hoped it was and more. Y'all be good.